Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make easy cheese quesadillas. First, gather your simple ingredients: tortillas, your favorite cheese, and a little butter. For the cheese, consider using a good melting variety such as cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend. Make sure you have medium-sized flour tortillas ready, as they work best for this recipe. This quick meal is perfect for any time. Now, let's start cooking. Place a non-stick pan on your stovetop and heat it over medium-low heat. This ensures even cooking without burning. Next, take one of your flour tortillas and lightly butter one side. Once the pan is warm, carefully place the buttered side of the tortilla down into the pan. It should sizzle gently, indicating the pan is at the right temperature. Once the tortilla is in the pan, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Allow it to cook for a few minutes until the cheese starts to melt and the bottom of the tortilla turns a beautiful golden brown. Then, using a spatula, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the cheesy half. Press down gently to help it stick. Continue cooking your quesadilla for another 1 to 2 minutes on each side until both sides are golden brown and crispy and the cheese is fully melted and gooey. Remove it from the pan, let it cool for just a moment, then slice it into wedges. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa or guacamole. For more great kitchen deals, including those leak-proof containers mentioned, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.